What's up, guys? Brett with the Wicked Auto and Truck Recyclers. Today we're partnering out a 2014 Cadillac XTS, stock number N01200 with 75K on it. Hood, non-insurance quality. Looks like you got some paint blemish on there. Overall, not too bad. Looks okay. Left knee is going to go complete. That's control arm, spindle, strut, left doors here. Just parts, so you get good glass, good regulator out of these guys. Good left quarter glass on the vehicle as well. Left tail lamp looks good. It's in good shape. Let's get this thing shut. Let's shut that. The lid, not bad. Comes with that third brake light. You got a small ping up above there. You got a decent dent. And another smaller one next to that. Non-insurance quality. You got some paint blemish on here as well. Comes with the hinges, comes with the camera. You got a good right tail lamp on the vehicle. Quarter on the right side here. You got some dings and dents. Most notably down by that wheel well. And a couple little guys there. Good quarter glass on the right here. Right rear door. Small ping up toward the front portion of that door. Still looks pretty good. Right front door. You got a small ping down toward the bottom. And then up by the underneath the mirror here, you got some scratches. Door mirror on the right side here, power. Small scuff on it. You got the turn signal, not in terrible shape. Right knee is complete. Control arm, spindle, strut. Right headlamp in great shape. That's clean. Let's take a look at the inside here. Let's get moving on. Trim's in good shape. Looks good. Black interior here. Master for windows, mirrors, locks. Good shape. Non-insurance quality. Left front seat. It is electric. Got some small cracks, some small tears. In this middle portion of the bottom part of the seat is a little stretched. But overall still looks all right. Right seat in better shape. That's very clean. That looks awesome. Back seat in excellent condition. Roof bag on the passenger side is intact. That still looks good. You got a good dash bag on the passenger side as well. Glove box in good shape. We got a good floor shifter in here. Center console in excellent condition. Steering column looks good. That comes with the wheel. The wheel does have a little bit of wear on it. Wheel bag intact. Roof bag still in good shape. Got good knee bags on each side. Speedometer, good shape. Engine run, starts right up. No help needed. 75, 130. So just a shade over 75K. And that's what you get when you rev it up. I mean, it runs good though. Engine runs great. You guys know the drill. You got questions. Sales has answers. Give them a shout. They're going to be more than happy to give you the help you need.